Hello, I wanted to come on because I did receive the Heidi Swapp monthly kit. So this month is this large stamp, and it has to do with postage. And I did stamp it out for you to see. So this one is a rose, this one is a butterfly, postage, the flag, another flag, and this one says U.S. mail. Por avión, I believe, airmail. And then I didn't stamp it real quick there. And then the rest. So, which is cute. You can make your own little postcards with this stamp. And that's a nice one. I love anything that has to do with postage. So, and then this month, Stop the Blur came with this cute little button. How do you open it? This one says Storyteller with a little flash there. So I'm going to put it in my apron. And then it came with these monthly cards. And they are different colors, as you can see. Right there, that's the other one. That's another one. That's another color, and that's another color. So these are monthly cards, which you could make your own small month tab. You can put the month here, and the little days here. And it did come with a stamp. And I believe these could stamp in there. They look like it. So that's the stamp. And I stamped it for you. And it comes with these little icons. And spring, summer, winter, fall. And that little spray that was on the button is that, like that. And then the other little thing that comes, that it's like cards. Sorry if I have ink. It's these little card tabs. So it's different colors. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 each. And that mustard green, mustard yellow, green, and another lighter green, and a darker light blue. So those are cute. That. And they are hard cardstock. It's not cheapy paper. Sorry for the noise of the wrapper. And you do get a washi tape, and this one is like measurements, which is cute. Then you get some brads, and then this one says overflow with gratitude. A joyful heart is good medicine, Proverbs 17:22. And then don't forget how far you've come. Trust in the process. Big things often come from small beginnings. And then keep learning, keep growing, and in every season, praise Him. And then you get these. And then you get these little holders. So I guess you could put one and then one of the cards like that. And then you put the brad in there, and then you can move it like that. And then you could put even this card here. Yep, you can put that card there. So that's kind of cool. So So you get 3 different colors and 3 different colors, 4 different colors of the little envelopes. And then 4 brads. Then you get the alphas, and this one is white. So you get 2 of them, 2 pages, 2 sheets. And then you get these, they look like abbreviation. So this one says thankful, grateful, quality, blessed, appreciate, gather, hopeful, family, and so forth. And you get it in different colors. And then you get these plastic outfers. You get, yep, plastic outfers all the way to Z. So that's kind of cool. And then you always get the little plastic. Oh, they did this one wrong, it looks like. Let me see. Let's just close one. So that's Tell Your Story, Heidi Swapp. That is the monthly kit for November. Right? Yes. For November, I believe, or December. I'm not too sure. Sorry about that. As always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. And I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. And all of those who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I can't believe I have 700 past 770. I can't wait to make that 1,000. Let's see if I could. And as always, have a good evening. Take care. Bye-bye.